Well, the storms moved through. It's cool out here now. Wind blowing straight out of the north. Maybe all the rain's fixing to be gone. I don't know how many inches we got, but it looked like it was quite a bit. But it fell so fast. Said it didn't have time to drain off for it. Started building up. Come on, Scooter. It's not that bad though. It'll drain off pretty quick during the night. Let Scooter go back in the house. It's got a cool, nippy out here. Come on, Scooter. Go. Get my boots on. We'll walk out here to the chicken house. Thank God. Thank God. All it is just rain. The wind didn't get high like they predicted. And when the wind starts coming out of the north, usually the rain's gone. And I thank God for it. See, even lady. It was raining when I come out here, but it slacked up. It's just lightly sprinkling now, thank God. We need to get out here and shut these chickens up. Usually we'll get all this rain in March, some in April, and then scarecrow crow done fell. And then we'll, after all that, on up the end of April, June, somewhere along in there, all the rain goes and it dries up. And we have a drought 90% of the time. That's just the way it is. But the good Lord gives us time to get our planting done. Everything dries up. Some of the farmers have to irrigate, but they got irrigation systems to just do that. Everything just good, ain't it? Thank God we live day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. And the good Lord steady pumping our heart to put blood through our veins. You know, every heartbeat that this old heart makes, it's a good Lord approved every time. But anyhow, that's the way it looks around the old home place. I feel easy on back to the house. It's kind of cool. I thank God I was able to mow the other day when it dried up. So, all right, pop in the garden. Talk to y'all later.